babies are gone. They fledged the nest a long time ago. I don't even know what the inside looks. Maybe the fifth one did hatch and I just didn't see it. Left a bit of a mess. But that means I can get to work. Uh-oh. There we go. So it's been about 22 years since I've run a machine this old. The hydraulics on these machines operate and react very differently than machines today. So you'll see that I clearly am not used to these type of hydraulics. A little jerky on the use of the hoe, but I grew up on the case backhoe, the 4-stick or 3-stick and non-extended hoe backhoes, and so I'm not completely unfamiliar with these hydraulics. It's just been a few minutes, so getting used to it. But machine works. It's better than doing it by hand. I was kind of hoping that I had cut this tree up enough that I could break it apart with the backhoe. The way the tree was laying on the ground, there was a lot of pressure on the machine, or on the tree, and so I can only cut so far before I would risk pinching the saw or breaking it. So, but I'll just cut it up later.
Oh, Dad's gonna get mad. There you go, Dad. Use that power.
just putting our wood chips out here. This is our wood that we'll eventually cut up for firewood. You know, I was going to use the wood chips for roads and stuff, but we just don't have flat enough ground, and those wood chips end up just being like ice when they're wet and cold and everything else. So they're going to sit, and I'll just use them for compost. I might compost that pile, put a bunch of other green waste in there and let it do its thing. So I don't know. It'll have other uses though.
I gotta move those trees. I gotta cut those up and I'll move them on the other side of the little pathway that I was driving up and down with the backhoe. I'll push these brush piles either further down there, or I'll just, I don't know, probably just down there. I don't want to make a huge mess and break it up with the backhoe and bring it all the way in the back. So, and then this has to be cut down a little bit and a little bit gentler slope, because I would like to have this paved and then have it come up through here and I don't know, like right there, and then obviously on the other side, on this side of the guide wire, and then through there where the backhoe was going back and forth today. I'll clean that up and we'll get that paved as well. And then this area, I'll extend the garden. So this part right here gets extended. There'll be a break somewhere over here so that people can walk up, and we'll have some kind of fancy, nice little stairway system right here or something. That tree will eventually come out. But I'll make the bed continue down there and kind of cut over here, and like this whole area will be garden area. Rake all that out, and then when I mow, I bag this and I just throw it over there, and we'll just mix it up and it'll compost and whatnot. So that is the plan. So I gotta move all this stuff out of the way, because I'll come in with the backhoe and kind of clean this up. But that's after I get all this done. I'm tired of looking at this and it looks like crap from the road, so we'll get that cleaned up hopefully this week. There was this rock wall right here. I don't know why they did it. It went like that, and then the rock wall, and then the dirt was high, and then it kind of sloped down. I don't know if they were doing that because of a drainage thing or what, but I took it out, and we'll take it out over there, and it'll just be a gentle slope, and the asphalt will come up to here. We'll see what asphalt is right now. I may just chip seal it, and if that's ridiculous price right now, then I'll just gravel it, and we'll worry about paving next year.